In this video, I'll show you how to connect Airtable to Zapier. Start by signing into your Zapier account. From the dashboard, click Create, then select Zap. Next, click the Trigger step or the Action step, depending on how you want to use Airtable. Search for Airtable and select it from the list of apps. After that, choose an event, such as New Record, Updated Record, or Create Record, then click Continue. Now click Sign in to connect your Airtable account. Authorize Zapier to access your Airtable workspace, then return to Zapier once the connection is complete. Next, select the base and table you want to use. Configure the remaining settings for your trigger or action, then click Continue. After that, click Test Step to make sure Zapier can successfully access your Airtable data. Finally, click Publish to turn on your Zap. Your Airtable account is now connected, and the automation will run automatically whenever the selected trigger occurs. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Airtable to Zapier. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.